you know what we've got today? It's the GMKtec. Let's unbox it. Do you know what this is? It's a mini computer. I can't believe it that all of the stuff fits inside this small little box. This is my small computer and this is my big computer. See the difference? Let's check what's in the box. This is a manual, which I don't need. Of course, I never need it because, you know, I'm a smarty pants. You know better. This is the cable. And this is the plug. This is the bracket. So in the box we've got my baby computer, display cord, power supply and mounting bracket. Do you know what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to set up my own personal virtual network, and I'm sure you don't know what that is, but that's fine. I'll teach you that later. Thanks for watching my video. Until the next video.